Hey guys, today's video is going to be very special because I'll be doing something I've never done before on this channel, and that is a review video. Okay, so a few weeks ago I received an email from this company, Gaomon. For those of you who don't know, Gaomon is a company that makes drawing tools, and that email is basically an invitation for me to review their new product, which is a LED light pad model GB4. And the funny thing is, even though I'm a YouTuber who teaches people about drawing, I actually did not know what a light pad is. Let us open the package now. Okay, so it's very large actually, and here we got a USB to micro USB, so very normal. And I just have to take out these things. Holy, it's very thin. It's surprisingly thin. You know, it's really surprised me how thin this was. I mean, I expected it to be 5mm, but it feels much thinner than 5mm. This looks much more sleeker than I thought it would be. Okay, so let me just peel out this. How do you do that? I always like this. I like this part. Okay, so that was everything that came with the package. So basically a cable, a quick start guide. So first off, let's look at the quick start guide. We got a power bank. We can use it. A power bank, a computer, or a power adapter to power it, but it doesn't come with a power adapter. That's okay, you know. We all have this power adapter to USB anyway. And then we got touch the power button to light up the light pad. Touch, and I hope you guys can see this. Okay, so touch the power button to light up the light pad. Touch and hold the power button to adjust the brightness until it is the brightness you need, and touch the power button to power off the light. Under any brightness, it will remember the last set of brightness. That's cool. And let me just get my adapter. Okay, so got my adapter. I'm gonna turn it on and put in the USB thing, and I'm very excited to see how it lights up and how bright it can get. I'll just turn it on. Holy, this is very cool. I like this. Okay, can I just turn it to be brighter? Okay, so that was the maximum brightness, I think. Okay, so this is maximum brightness, but I think you guys can't see it. You just see the surrounding turning dark right now because, you know, so auto adjusting the brightness, you know, the camera is actually a phone. But you know, it's very hard to show you how bright it can get, but if you guys know a bit about science stuff, it says here, you know, light source, no, which one? Here, color temperature, no luminous flux, so no brightness is this one, 651 CD per square meter. So if you guys look it up or, you know, compare it with other things, you guys might know how bright it is. But let me just use a paper to see how it looks so cool. I'm just going to find some drawings in order to see how it shines through the drawings. Okay, so finally found my sketchbook, the one that I rarely use. I almost, it's been a long time since I've drawn this. You see 2017, August the 1st. So, but anyway, I'm just going to test this out and see how this shines through. And by the way, this sketchbook is made for drawing, so it's a little bit thicker than this normal office paper. That one's a little bit brighter than this because this one is much thicker. Or not much. I think it's about 70% thicker. I don't know actually. It doesn't say on the cover, so I don't know. Let us see. So not really that much through. You know, you obviously, you know, you can see this very perfectly well, but I would love it to be a little bit more opaque. But it's perfectly fine. I think it's perfectly fine. Okay, so you can see that on this paper, on the drawing paper. Oh, why did it turn off? What? It ultimately turns itself off? Okay, so on the drawing paper I drew these lines. What's wrong? Did I just touch it? Or what did I do? So that's how dark it gets, and that's how dark it gets. So, you know, having a much thinner paper really helps it shines through. You know, tracing, that's very cool because I actually need that a lot of times. You know, you could be doing a sketch here, and then you put a paper onto it, and then you draw the part where you should be doing when you're doing the inking part. It got the measurement here. It actually has those LED on the sides too. So when you put it on the table, you can see that there's light on the side, white on the back for pads to make it not slide across the table. So what's my verdict for this video? Okay, so for the design, it looks incredible. It's amazing. I think this is one of the beautiful and sleek light pad I've seen on the internet. At least I've not seen any actual light pads in real life. It's flat, so it doesn't have that indentation where you slide the paper, it stops here on the bezel. It's also got light on the side. It's very sleek, completely white on the back, and very minimalistic, and I love this. And for the feature, actually a light pad doesn't got that much feature, so this is what you ask for. The only complaint I can have is that it could be a bit brighter, but you know, for most people and for most things that you will be using it for, it's enough. Now for the price tag, I actually don't know what's the price for this product because I got this one for free. They sent me this one for free for me to do the review video. So I put the link to this product in the description below so you can check it out for yourself and compare it with other products. And what I can say about this product is that it is one of the best light pads I've seen on the internet. So whatever price you got, just compare it with other light pads, and I think you should go for this one as long as this one is not way too expensive. I think that was the review video. So now actually I'm going to try to test this one out. So I'm just going to use a drawing, or that one drawing that I've done in my sketchbook. I'll try to trace it. Okay, not bad. What do you think? You know, they don't look exactly the same because, you know, I'm not perfect at tracing, and also I made a few changes. You can see, for example, the color is a little bit up now. This clothing flows a little bit better, and a lot of the hair strokes also is more flowy than this one. I think this one a little bit stiff. And you know, it's my first time using a light pad, but you know, tracing, everybody did tracing once in a lifetime. And I think it looks good. I think this will be a very useful tool for me. I mean, not that useful now than before because I don't do that much tracing now, but it would be cool for me to trace a little bit. Actually, I think this can be a good practicing tool because if you trace your own drawing, it will help you notice your own mistakes, and then you can correct them and make a better drawing out of this. For example, just now I noticed a lot of the mistakes that I do a few months ago. This one was made in almost a year ago. So that's it for the test, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.